Are you still making subject names like this? Then, I'll show you an easy and creative way to do this in less time. So be sure to watch till the end. And also, I will drop some sample images. So if you want the prompt, make sure to really watch till the end of this video. First, go to Canva AI, click on the image option, and add your prompt. If you want this prompt, comment down prompt and I'll drop it below. You can freely change the subject of the prompt and design depending on your preference. Next is the AI quality. If you're using a free Canva account, choose Premium Default. Then, for the aspect ratio, let's choose this. Once you're all set, click on the submit arrow and wait for a couple of seconds. And there you go, super easy. If you want to download, click on this download symbol. So I also did some sample images using different designs. If you want this, comment down the sample number and I'll share with you the template link and the prompt I use. So be sure to follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye!